Struggling with weak signal on your OnePlus Open? No worries, I'm here to walk you through some effective fixes to boost your phone's signal strength. So let's dive in. First thing first, ensure to toggle airplane mode on and off once. Give your phone card a refresh by ejecting and reinserting it. Now, on to troubleshooting. Solution 1. Activate mobile data always. First, go to Settings. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Additional Settings. Find the developer options. Now, scroll down to Mobile Data Always Active. And then, toggle it on. Also, toggle on the 5G option there. Solution 2. Enable data roaming and adjust network type. Back to the settings. Tap on Mobile Network. Choose the SIM card that you are experiencing issues. Turn on data roaming. Select 5G or 4G or 3G or 2G auto as the preferred network type. If the issue persists, try Solution 3. Modify APN protocol. Again, go to Settings. Tap on the mobile network. Select your SIM. Tap on Access Point Names. Choose your Internet APN name. Scroll to APN protocol and select IPv4/IPv6. Restart your phone to check if the problem resolves. That's it for troubleshooting mobile data issues on OnePlus phones. We hope this solution solved your problems. Have other topics you want us to tackle? Drop your suggestion in the comments below. And remember to subscribe for more helpful content. Happy browsing until next time!